Hello friends, welcome to Dev Defense Academy. And if you like this video, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel by pressing the bell icon. When you start seeing your worth, you'll find it harder to stay around people who don't. Welcome on board, ladies and gentlemen, to Dev Defense Academy. And today we'll be talking about General Bipin Rawat, India's first Chief of Defence Staff. We'll also talk about the important message which General Rawat wants to share to the youth of the country to keep them patriotic and motivated towards joining the Indian Armed Forces. Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat is a 4-star general and the current Chief of Defence Staff of India. On 30th December 2019, he was appointed as the first Tri-Service Chief of Defence Staff of India and assumed office from 1st January 2020. The government had initially amended the army rules to extend the age of superannuation from 62 years to 65 years, paving the way for the appointment. The CDS will be a one-point advisor to the government on matters related to the military and will function with the main aim of integrating the three services: Army, Navy and the Air Force. General Bipin Rawat had taken over the reins of the Indian Army from General Darbir Singh Suhag on December 17, 2016 as the 27th Chief of the Army Staff. An alumnus of the National Defence Academy and the Indian Military Academy, Rawat was commissioned into the Indian Army in December 1978 in the same unit as his father, the 5th Battalion of the 11 Gorkha Rifles. The first CDS is a veteran of counter-insurgency warfare and has served in some of the most difficult terrains of India, including the Northern and the Eastern Commands. Assignments. During his 4 decades in service, Rawat has served as a Brigade Commander, General Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Southern Command, General Staff Officer Grade 2 at the Military Operations Directorate, Colonel Military Service and Deputy Military Service in the Military Secretary's branch, and Senior Instructor in the Junior Command Wing. He has also been part of the United Nations Peacekeeping Force and has commanded a multinational brigade in the Democratic Republic of Congo. General Rawat's awards and accolades. He was instrumental in reducing the militancy in the Northeast. He was also part of the planning for the 2016 surgical strikes, in which the Indian Army went across the line of control into Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. During his service, General Rawat has been decorated with the Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Uttam Yudh Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Vishisht Seva Medal, Yudh Seva Medal and the Sena Medal. General Rawat is a good motivational speaker. While addressing youths, cadets and students, he always advises them how they can become good military leaders. He wants the following statements and messages about the Indian Army should be widely spread and publicized amongst the youth and students so that they can learn about the Army and be motivated to join in as officers. Courage is contagious. I will come back by hosting the tricolour or come wrapped in the tricolour. But I will definitely come back, as said by Captain Vikram Batra, Paramveer Chakra. What is an extraordinary adventure of your life is our everyday life. If I die before I prove my valor, then I swear that I will kill death itself, as said by Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey, Paramveer Chakra, 11 Gorkha Rifles. Our flag is not hoisted because the wind is moving. It unfurls with the last breath of every young man who gives up his life in the defense of it. You must be good to get us. You have to be fast to catch us. But to win us, you must be a child. May God have mercy on our enemies, because we will not. Our living is our coincidence. Our love is our choice. Our killing is our business. If a person says that he does not fear death, he will either be lying or it will be from the Gorkha army. It is God's job to forgive terrorists, but it is our job to get them to meet God. We regret that we have only one life to give to our country. These are the golden words of courage as penned down by our brave men in Olive Green. We hope it could inspire you and ignite the flame of patriotism and courage within you. If you like our video, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel by pressing the bell icon.